Right, this is Dockside, one of Universal Studios endless summer resorts. So Dockside, we've stayed in Surfside before, the first time here in Dockside, so this is the first time in the room, so you're exploring it with me as I'm discovering everything. So we've got a 2-bedroom suite, a 1-bedroom suite. I can't remember whether it's called a 2-bedroom or a 1-bedroom, but it's got a separate bedroom anyway. Must be a 1-bedroom suite, I'm guessing. These are the same that they have over the road. You can't open them, but they're a really cool bedside cabinet. Or have they given us the hand san? I would have thought that is. Yeah, the time is 7:15. We've just got in. Our view, we're on the 12th floor. The hotel has 13 floors, but floor 13 is called 14 because they don't have a floor 13 like a lot of places. So yeah, really nice, spacious, good feel to it. USBs and plug sockets, plenty of them. Nice big TV, nice lot of storage. Nice place to have a glass of wine at the end of a long day. We have in here some plastic things. That one doesn't open. A microwave and a fridge. There you go. That was actually slightly open, I think. Hi. Then 2 sinks, some nice surf and sand soap, a hairdryer. This is the bathroom, obviously, with good sized bath and shower and some amenities. There you go. And this is the other bedroom. So my daughter's in here, there's 3 of us staying in here, so me and my husband can have our own bed. Here's where the safe is. Yeah, we can have our own bed if we like, and my daughter's got her own bedroom. This is probably the only time I'm going to be allowed in here. So yeah, it's great if you've got teenage daughters like us who need their own space. And then a wardrobe with an ironing board. And yeah, so far so good. Really impressed with check-in. It went really smoothly. There was a little bit of a wait for the lifts, for the elevators, but apart from that, really happy.